Expand your vocabulary with our Core 2000 Words ebook. It's free and packed with essential expressions that you'll use on a daily basis. Start building your vocabulary today. Click the link in the description below to download your free Filipino ebook before it's gone.
Hi everybody, my name is Kat. Welcome to the 2000 Core Filipino Words and Phrases video series. Each lesson will help you learn new words, practice, and review what you've learned. Okay, let's get started. First is impeksyon, infection, impeksyon, impeksyon, infection, impeksyon sa balat, skin infection, impeksyon sa balat, trangkaso, flu, trangkaso, trangkaso, flu, panahon ng trangkaso, flu season, panahon ng trangkaso, trumpeta, trumpet, trumpeta, trumpeta, trumpet, tansong trumpeta, brass trumpet, tansong trumpeta, departure gate, departure gate, departure gate, departure gate, departure gate, departure gate 43, departure gate 43, departure gate 43, sociolohiya, sociology, sociolohiya, sociolohiya, sociology, pag-aaral tungkol sa sociolohiya, study of sociology, pag-aaral tungkol sa sociolohiya, flight attendant, flight attendant, flight attendant, flight attendant, flight attendant, babaeng flight attendant, female flight attendant, babaeng flight attendant, upuan, seat, upuan, upuan, seat, upuan sa eroplano, airplane seat, upuan sa eroplano, medisina, medicine, medisina, medisina, medicine, larangan ng medisina, field of medicine, larangan ng medisina, economy class, economy class, economy class, economy class, economy class, mga upuan sa economy class, economy class seats, mga upuan sa economy class, lipad. Flight. Lipad. Lipad. Flight. Boarding pass para sa lipad. Boarding pass for the flight. Boarding pass para sa lipad. Let's review. Respond to the prompts by speaking aloud. First, you will hear a word or phrase in English. Respond in Filipino, then repeat after me, focusing on pronunciation. Ready? Do you remember how to say infection? Infection. Infection. And how to say flu? Trancaso. Trancaso. What about trumpet? Trumpeta. Trumpeta. Do you remember how to say departure gate? Departure gate. Departure gate. Let's try sociology. Sociología. Sociología. What about flight attendant? Flight attendant. Flight attendant. Now, let's see if you remember how to say seat. Upuan. Upuan. Another one. What about medicine? Medicina. Medicina. Do you remember how to say economy class? Economy class. Economy class. And finally, do you remember how to say flight? Lipad. Lipad. Well done! See you next time! Paalam!